Young Living memang pays a lot. Young Living punya compensation plan best sangat. And then kita ada so many bonuses. Dia punya paycheck tu in US dollar. In anything pun selalu masa nak start tu yang paling susah kan. Kita rasa macam wah susahnya that decision tu. I rasa tu semua kita punya own limiting beliefs lah. In order for us to grow, kita memang kena go out from our comfort zone.
Welcome back to Studio Niaga. Today we have a young lady entrepreneur. Let's welcome Miss Azzy Zaina. Hi Azzy.
Hi Dan. I'm Azzy. Kalau dekat social media tu, you can search my name Azzy Daisy. I'm a mom of 3. I ada 9 to 5 work and also side hustle business. I'm actually with a Young Living company promoting wellness and healthy lifestyle and also empowering people, especially women, towards financial freedom. Sebab sekarang kan we never know what will happen. One day you're in a job, suddenly you're out of job. So it is very important for us to have like multiple source of income. And I memang suka business. In fact, I memang macam selalulah nak cari opportunity like nak buat apa. But with my current work and family, rasa macam tak ada time tau. The opportunity tu dia come at the right moment, at the right time. Masa tu memang I was searching, I was looking. Masa after yang first MCO tu, kan kita duduk rumah, tak ada buat apa-apa. My friend, nama dia Zurina, she's owner of Wonder Milk. So dia tanya I, dia kata, Azzy, you dah Young Living punya member ke? Lepas tu I macam, oh belum. Masa tu I memang tengah nak beli the Young Living punya set tau. Sebab my kids memang guna, but we guna macam various brand lah. You nak beli ke the set? So I macam, oh ya, I memang tengah nak carilah. Dia tanya pula, nak try tak business ni? So I pun fikir macam, okay, apa dia, the worst that can happen lah. So I rasa macam kalau I beli this set, I memang nak guna pun. So at the same time, beli tu dapat jadi membership. So why don't I just try untuk buat the business? I just share masa tu my journey. When I started, I macam guna, I guna this all for my kids. I share with my followers dekat Instagram and my friends. And then from there, I ada dapat orang yang macam interested to know more. From there, I nampak the opportunity that actually this thing can grow. Like I can grow this and buat dia seriously. So from there, and then the rest to history lah. Bila I tahu about this Young Living punya business, dia punya way of doing business ni, I rasa macam macam manageable lah. I boleh buat ni sambil I ada 9 to 5 punya kerja. Let's try, let's do it. And then bila buat tu kita macam okay lah, buat sungguh-sungguh. I managed to grow my business daripada masa tu when we started is just macam Zurina tu, myself, and we have another 2 in the team. And then we managed to grow our team, which we call Oil Fantastic. Kalau under my organisation je, under I je dah ada lebih kurang as at today 2,800 macam tu. So ada yang build, ada yang buat business, ada yang just using the oil, the product.
That's like within 1 year, ada tak? Lebih kurang 1 year kan?
Ya, baru je. I started June kan. Lepas tu dalam Young Living ni dia ada macam dia punya ranking lah. So we started with distributor, and then dia pergi star, and senior star, executive, silver, gold. The highest is Royal Crown Diamond. Dia ada macam 10 lah. Macam the highest one is Royal Crown Diamond. So less than a year, I managed to rank up to gold. Going to platinum insyaAllah, doakan. So basically Young Living ni dia punya main product, dia punya popular is essential oil. But actually not only that, we have supplements, we have like makeup, skincare, kids and babies punya range, toiletries, house cleaning products, and what most important is non-toxic and organic punya product. So that's why in the beginning tu I cakap I'm promoting wellness and healthy lifestyle kan. So this product, range of product are very suitable for those yang memang tengah nak change dia punya lifestyle towards low toxic, towards clean and healthy punya environment. What set Young Living aside from other macam organic products out there? Sebab Young Living ni dia promise seed to seal punya products tau. This is like beyond organic. So kalau dalam USDA you have to be certified organic. Macam ada certain regulation that you have to meet. But Young Living dia ada their own farms. Memang from biji benih sampai dia punya packaging everything memang Young Living buat. No pesticide, no chemical whatsoever. So very very clean. Anyone can just walk, pergi tengok farm dia and tengok dia punya process, distillation process and everything. So they are very transparent. And dia punya products tu for me is very good. Has been helping me, my family, my friends and also so many people out there improving dia punya quality of life, health and everything.
Yes, items from Young Living. We're so excited. Let's go. Let's go.
Essential oil ni kalau dalam bahasa Melayu dia minyak pati lah. Actually, dia ni bukannya baru sekarang ada, dia dah lama dah. In fact, zaman dahulu kala Ibn Sina, our father of medicine kan, have been using essential oil as form of perubatan lah. Essential oil ni adalah macam supplementary. Dia adalah kita punya tools untuk managing our health before we get sick. So essential oil ni dia minyak pati daripada tumbuh-tumbuhan. So daripada lavender, daripada peppermint, daripada semualah jenis plant kan. Apa tu frankincense. Frankincense tu
Then frankincense, the king of the oil.
dia memang digunakan oleh orang macam Arab daripada dulu. Cleopatra so suka sangat. And dia ada banyak sangat benefits. Dia bagi kita macam calm. Kalau orang yang stressful, ramai orang depressed, anxiety, ada yang tak boleh tidur malam. So with the help of ni, aroma terapi, dengan aroma ni dia boleh help kita untuk jadi lebih calm, tenang. I pun macam very happy. Sometimes people macam come back to me and cakap, thank you Izzy, anak I dah boleh tidur malam. Really help me with my anxiety, with my macam depression ke apa-apa. Improve dia punya skin lah, health lah, so many things. Kita ada botol yang 5ml, kita ada botol yang 15ml. Dalam 5ml of essential oil tu ada 100 drops. So let's say kalau you guna macam 1 drop sehari, kalau you nak sapu lah kan, boleh last you 100 days lah. Let's say kalau macam lemon, harga dia dalam RM50 je. Satu botol essential oil tu memang banyak sangat guna. Let's say lemon lah, you need 72 lemons untuk buat satu botol kecil tu. Rose punya essential oil, you need 10 kg of rose petals. Rose petals tu dah lah ringan kan, you need 10 kg untuk buat satu. So the cost is very expensive kan. Kita guna essential oil ni untuk replace macam banyak benda lah. Your skin are sensitive to fragrance. So you can use essential oil untuk buat apa tu macam cologne ke, untuk perfume kan. In fact memang perfume tu pun banyak dalam dia essential oils kan. So you just need like satu titik je yang you boleh guna for so many days, so many months. What's best on the premium starter kit ni, dia ada 11 oil dan 11 oil memang dah curated for your everyday punya use tau. Dia ada cater for sleep, ada cater for skin, ada cater for light headache ke, benda yang macam everyday issues tu tau. Macam digestion ke apa-apa, dia macam memang ada. Macam instead of you use traditional punya medicine macam tiger balm ke, I memang selalu encourage if people want to try, memang get this 750 sebab dia jimat. Harga dia actually memang more than 750. Dia thousands saya rasa kalau kita nak ikut, because dalam tu ada minyak yang memang mahal. Kalau you beli loose je, satu minyak tu ada yang dekat loose tu about RM300. Cara penggunaan dia, kita boleh diffuse, macam yang dekat belakang ni, I diffuse lah. And then yang tu kita dapat benefits from the bau dia, bau-bauan dia, and the diffuser pun dia ada different. Kalau you beli yang living, memang dia able to pecahkan the molecule essential oil tu untuk kita dapat the benefits. So sometimes kalau you just guna macam mesin tak tahu apa, so tak pasti sama ada you boleh dapat tak, because kan oils dengan air dia tak mix kan. With the diffuser ni baru dia boleh disperse dia punya oil tu, and the benefits baru kita boleh dapat. Kita boleh juga sapu, tapi for yang living punya oil, it's very very potent sebab kita memang 100% oil dalam tu, tak ada campuran, so very potent. You kena beli dengan a distributor, you tak boleh macam pergi beli je dekat online ke apa, sebab kalau salah cara penggunaan nanti takut pula skin you burn ke apa ke, sebab kita hanya memerlukan like satu titik ataupun ada certain oil yang kita kena dilute, kita kena campur dengan macam carrier oil, macam campur dengan benda lain untuk sapu dekat badan kita. And then ada juga yang boleh kita minum, kita ingest. So kalau macam dari Young Living, dia memang ada range yang under flavouring, yang tu kita boleh ingest. Supplements tu macam Ninja is energy drink. So tapi dekat dalam Ninja tu dia ada infused with essential oil. It's actually a wolfberry which is goji berry kalau kita lah. Tapi yang the best grade of goji berry macam tu. Yang memang very high in antioxidant. Kita ada house cleaning punya range tapi semua tu mostly dia infused with essential oil. And dia memang kena natural, memang kena clean. Itu memang dah wajib lah for Young Living ni. Some of you might know, we are a multi-level marketing punya business, right? I had macam wrong impressions lah on the network marketing MLM punya thingy tau. So I was very skeptical. I takut macam alang nanti diorang ni mesti ajak I join business ni macam networking ni macam pyramid lah semua-semua tu tau. Because I don't understand why dia buat multi-level marketing ni, sebab dia nak share the profits dengan the distributor instead of having a third orang tengah. So kita boleh help so many people, macam the housewife yang living flat, dia boleh just concentrate on the product development tu and they don't have to spend on advertising. So bila I faham, actually it's very good. Kalau nak fikirkan structure dekat tempat kerja macam our corporate structure, lagi pyramid, kita ada seorang je CEO kan. Satu boss and then managers and then ramai executive, right? Tapi macam dalam this business, saya rasa dia punya opportunity tu actually very fair. Semua orang, kalau siapa yang join dengan I pun, if they work hard, diorang lagi berusaha daripada I, diorang lagi macam tara daripada I, memang boleh je up rank ni. Macam tak ada pun yang I akan sentiasa atas daripada orang yang bawa I tu. Macam tak ada lah. In anything pun selalu masa nak start tu yang paling susah kan. Kita rasa macam wah susahnya that decision tu. I rasa tu semua kita punya own limiting beliefs lah. Kalau kita nak grow, we have to keluar daripada our comfort zone sekarang. Memang kalau kita orang yang sama, kita takkan macam jadi orang yang better lah. Kita sama je lah. I don't have to go and meet people. We just create networking towards social media je. And I pun sebenarnya takut juga nak selalu jumpa-jumpa orang kan, macam kita pun macam segan kan. Tapi I rasa because of this, because of the social media tu. And social media I rasa dia dah bagi kita satu platform yang macam free advertising. Kalau dulu you have to pay kan. Tapi sekarang with social media, you don't have to pay. You boleh letak dekat you punya Instagram, you share you punya journey tu dah macam you punya iklan dah. That's why it is very very doable for me. You kena dah 18 tahun lah, sebab you have to register yourself as a member. Untuk you build this business, you don't have to macam ada degree ke, you tak payah nak kena ada modal ke. Sebab I memang beli produk tu masa awal I nak guna for myself. Lepas tu I terus dapat the membership, it's free. Dia hanya cost me RM750 saja for start. So I beli that 750 kit tu. Lepas tu I dapat memang a diffuser and a collection of oil, 11 oils. Memang nak guna for my family. Lepas tu I dapat the chance to build the business. So you memang boleh choose you nak jadi pengguna je ke ataupun you nak try business. Tak ada extra requirement for you to nak letak duit banyak lagi ke kalau nak jadi business ke, tak ada. It is very important for you kalau you nak join Young Living lah to choose the right group because that group will empower you more. In All Fantastic kita ada banyak sangat sharings and then kita ada banyak sangat macam coaching and we actually teach how you can start. Selalu kalau orang mesti diorang macam tak apalah I tak nak business sebab I tak tahu macam mana nak jual. But actually you don't have to be macam kalau dulu kan orang macam salesman kan, you have to call people lah apalah. You don't have to do that. You don't have to macam cold calling, pergi ketuk pintu rumah orang ke, paksa your family and friends ke. We are now dah tak ada dah macam zaman yang tu lah, bukan lagi macam direct selling kind of thing. Income producing activity tu lagi berkesan kalau you share. Dalam Alfantastic kita selalu ada macam selling without selling, kita panggil dia. Selling without selling, which is more on sharing you punya experience. Macam you share you makan apa tengah hari tadi kan. You share you punya apa yang you guna, you share macam mana journey you dalam business ni. So you get people yang tanya you. Instead of you yang macam paksa orang, tapi you get people to interested and tanya and want to join you. With us, with Alfantastic, kita memang ada our strategy. Kita memang akan ajar you how you nak nak brand you punya self. Macam mana you nak sell dekat social media ke apa-apa tu banyak sangat. We have like multiple Zoom class every day. Are you willing to learn? Are you hungry? Are you coachable? So if you that kind of person, you memang boleh buat this thing.
Teacher Azzy dengan Teacher Zu ni garang ke dalam kelas Zoom?
Tak, kita that's why kita orang punya Alfantastic is a very fun punya community. We call ourselves community tau. We are beyond just selling essential oil. We want to add more value to people's punya life. Besides business punya knowledge, kita ada macam-macam spiritual. Lepas tu kita ada macam charity drive. People from different industry yang nak share knowledge with us. We are actually a community yang memang we want to empower each other. So dalam yang living Alfantastic team ni very very fun. Zurina tu dia kan dulu dia ada Wondermop punya business and dia pun kind of fun creative punya side. So memang kita orang dalam business ni macam fun je. Tak ada macam very serious ke, garang ke. Kita akan provide you with the tools, but it's up to you whether you want to do it betul-betul ataupun you just nak macam go with the flow ke, you just nak guna essential oils je ke, it's up to you. I started dulu, we actually built this thing from macam tak ada material, we adakan material. So for the newbies yang join, diorang memang terus boleh business je, boleh gerak je. Macam itulah. Alhamdulillah, my family memang very supportive, especially macam my husband kahwin kan. Macam my husband dia akan help me lah macam untuk jaga kids. So bila I ada Zoom call, actually dia tak adalah time consuming sangat. For yang living, apa produk ke packaging ke apa semua dia orang settlekan. Dia yang akan dia akan hantar barang-barang tu. I tak payah buat apa. I just macam buat sharing, Zoom. So kalau dalam sehari tu macam let's say macam 1 hour je my time dengan business yang living. So 1 hour tu my husband will help me lah untuk cover the kids ke. Dulu I tiap hari masak. So sekarang ni I belilah kalau time yang ada busy ke kan. Start dengan ni memang my kids dah biasa dengan essential oil. So dia memang tahulah ada this business. Macam kenapa mami buat this business. Diorang pun selalu excited sama. Dalam yang living ni dia ada satu time yang macam bila you dapat qualify pergi trip. Kalau macam you 3 kali you dapat maintain you punya rank silver, you dapat pergi visit dia punya lavender farm dekat Utah, all paid expense. Mami kena buat sebab nanti mami nak pergi, kita semua nak pergi US ni. So diorang pun macam, oh ya ke? Diorang pun okay. So diorang pun akan doa tolong sama macam, ya Allah please help mami dapat pergi Utah so kita orang semua boleh holiday. Siapa-siapa je yang jadi yang living punya member, anytime that they enroll people, they introduce this PSK set lah especially, semua orang akan dapat RM210. So kalau you dapat sell 3 to 4, you dah dapat balik you punya modal dah. And then kita ada so many bonuses, paycheck tu in US dollar. Alhamdulillah kalau silver and above, you dah manage to get 5 figures punya income. And then apa yang paling best kali pasal yang living ni, kita punya gaji tu adalah willable income. You punya gaji tu if anything happens to you, I punya gaji ni my anak semua boleh inherit. So tu yang macam I rasa macam wow. For those of you yang rasa nak start tapi rasa macam susah ke, first you identify dulu apa yang limitkan diri you daripada nak buat benda tu. You have to identify apa you punya limitations tu. Once you dah identify, baru kita rasa macam oh actually this thing kita boleh je overcome. In order for us to grow, kita memang kena go out from our comfort zone. In apa-apa business pun, you boleh buat kalau you yourself tu ada the drive, and then you jangan putus asa, you jangan mengalah. So if you see ada banyak competition kat luar sana, it's okay. Semua orang ada rezeki masing-masing. Remember, this is macam a journey. Semua orang akan sampai to that destination as long as you tak give up. So ada orang dia naik kereta, ada orang dia jogging. So semua orang akan sampai. Tapi as long as you tak give up lah. Masa cepat dengan lambat je. Hi everyone, I'm always in the lookout for new builders and customer to join us All Fantastic. You can just reach me dekat my Instagram page at AZDaisy, or we have a community page named All Fantastic. If you are hungry, if you are coachable, if you want to be successful, just contact me. Let's have a chat and we're good to go. Thanks. Alhamdulillah. I hope it's beneficial for everyone. So if you want to know more, just contact me lah.